Brad, product specialist at Kinze. I want to talk about, again, a nice feature that we've added to help when you're refilling the planter, specifically the bulk fill tanks in between either hybrid changes or just a refill as you've planted them out. I'm in demo mode on my Blue Vantage display, again, in my model year 25 software version. One thing we've added, again, for the bulk fill, if I'm going to change or shut off my bulk fill fan on my single screen mode, I would just simply tap on my fans widget and it takes me to my pressures tab. You can see down here in the lower left-hand corner, there is a fill seed feature or function now on the fans tab. When you press on fill seed, the bulk fill fan will shut off. You now can go fill seed. You can leave this on the screen, fill your tanks back up, come back in here, press done. The fan will now turn back on for your bulk fill and you're ready to go. All right. Previously, when you had to press off, accept, or hit that checkbox to accept the change, sometimes you forgot to turn it back on in planting season. We now have a fill seed feature to help provide easier, quicker filling and prevent you from leaving that bulk fill fan off when we were accepting it in previous softwares, making your life easier.